just slightly spritz. That's why I like it. Not so spritz.
Okay. All right. We got front row. It's gonna be cozy. All right, there you go.
I got it.
You got it? Got it?
Everybody, it's me, Heimlich. I'm a cute little choo-choo train, and I want you to be safe. So pretty please to stay seated with your hands, arms, wings, all your legs, and all your feet inside while I take you on my fun little rides. And mamas and papas, please watch your children.
There, now nobody can say
Para
that.
su seguridad.
There we go.
Estén sentados
Finally.
con sus manos, piernas y pies dentro de esta linda oruguita. Y por favor, cuidar muy bien a sus oruguitas.
Spanish and a German accent.
Yes, muy bien. Very good.
My stomach is so empty. Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. Do you like candy?
I'm having a tough time keeping up with this block here.
Apples.
And the box of service. Something.
Hey, let's go over and eat that nice juicy apple. I hope that's not a worm inside.
Oh, that was a watermelon.
Oh, that was the apple back here.
Oh, okay.
This is the watermelon.
See, I'm getting all confused here. This is very complex.
See? I think this thing sprays water on you.
Oh my goodness, this is such a
Or maybe not.
sweet
Yeah, it does.
juicy watermelon.
Trying to say something.
I does say it sprays water on you, and it did drip on me.
Let's walk in the road. Big thing to go.
Walk in the road. Animal crackers.
Animal
Oh, it
crackers.
smells like animal crackers.
I love animal crackers. It smells so yummy in here.
Actually, it does.
My favorite part of animal crackers. All of it. Oh, I'm so glad I left room for dessert. Goody, goody, oh, there's so many goodies. Treats and sweets are my favorite thing to eat. Oh, all of this chewing has made me full. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me.
Candy corn.
My favorite candy corn. I must be in Heimlich heaven. Oh, look at that beautiful candy corn there. Y por favor, cuidado muy bien.
That's what the safety belt's for.
I feel so much better.
Oh, I'm so full. I cannot go one more step. Please, everybody, just stay seated while I shop and take a little bit to go buy some of this food. I'll be back on my way in just a moment.
I feel a little ashamed that it wasn't even a credit.
Now I'm going to drop you off so I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Come back again to visit me.
All right, now we've been
Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. I miss you already.
myself out.